Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use implicit differentiation in finding the derivative of a function. Implicit differentiation is used whenever a function is not expressed in the form of y equal to another expression in x. As you can see, we have xy together on one side. So that signals that we have to, or the best, I think maybe the better way of differentiating the function is by the use of implicit differentiation. So how do we find the implicit, or how do we find the derivative using the implicit differentiation? So keep in mind that y here is a function of x. Therefore, whenever you get the derivative of y, the derivative of y is dy over dx, or you can just simply use the symbol for derivative as y prime. Okay, so let's differentiate xy plus x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So first, xy should be seen as a product of two expressions. Therefore, you have to differentiate this using the product rule. So x, so by the product rule, x, and then derivative of y is y prime plus y, derivative of x is 1. So we're done with xy. And then plus x, so that will be plus 1, and then minus 2y, so 2 derivative of y is y prime, minus derivative of 1, which is 0, equal to a 0. And then you simplify, so you have xy prime plus y plus 1 minus 2y prime minus 0 equal to 0 is simply equal to 0. And then since we're looking for y prime, you have to isolate the y prime. So xy prime minus 2y prime will be on the left side, and y plus 1 will become minus y minus 1 on the other side. Then factor out the one that we need to get. So this is x, and then minus 2, but after factoring out the y prime, equals negative y minus 1. Then finally, divide both sides by x minus 2. Then you have x minus 2. Then cancel. So y prime is negative y minus 1 over x minus 2. So take note, in implicit differentiation, it is okay if the final expression has an x and y at the same time. Okay, so crucial steps in finding the derivative are the first and the second, because you need to think of y as a function of x, that whenever you get the derivative, it has to be expressed as y prime. I think you should review also how I got the 2y prime from 2y. Okay, so this is not just 2 because y is not x. If this is 2x, then this is just 2, but this is 2y. So derivative of 2y is 2, but you still have to get the derivative of y. That's why you have to write y prime. Okay, again, in any problem that I have, or any solution to the problem that I have presented, and if you find the solution a little confusing, one of the best way to understand it is to watch the video again. Give it about 3 times, and then if you still have some questions and you still cannot follow the solution, you're always free to ask me questions in class. Okay, so that's it.